Is it recording?
Okay, okay.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And these are our hear me outs. Number 1, Himiko Toga from My Hero Academia. Number 2, Harley Quinn from DC. Corpse Bride. How I Met Your Mother.
Okay.
Margot Robbie.
Heard.
Millie from Hell of a Boss. Also an honorable mention that I forgot, Billie Eilish.
Lesbian Idol.
Veronica Mayday from Hell of a Boss. My phone just fell.
Well, good morning,
Krista.
everyone. Happy Monday to you.
From-
We've got our...
Anyway, Krista from Ferngully.
Wait. That's one too. Right there. Yeah. Mr. Williams.
No way, bro. Velvet from Husband Hotel.
These are not Hear Me Outs.
Tiffany Ray Valentine.
Oh,
the
yeah.
human from the Chicken movies. Not the doll. Rosie from Husband Hotel. We're getting into the men now. Rosie
didn't know
from
you liked
Morningstar. Neither did I. From Husband Hotel. Alistair from Husband Hotel. Now we get to the My Hero Academia ones, which are wild.
Oh hell.
We got Denki Kaminari,
Oh hell.
the teacher,
Oh
Shota
hell.
Ozawa, Hitoshi Shinso, and probably
Yeah, I hope
the
you're
worst one on this list.
Yeah, I hope you're embarrassed. Yeah. Feel shame.
Shigaraki. Anyway,
For shame.
it's your turn, bud.
Oh, you want to pause it?
No. Yeah, you never paused it. Huh?
Pause it.
This week we should be at 12 days, or 12 meals or 4 days by the end of the week.
You see that, right?
Calculating the calories.
This is mostly based on personality, so
Don't put a warning.
don't come for me. This is the semi-acceptable section. Edit. Nick Neal, but only when he's blue. I like the color blue.
About a third of the way there.
He's got sunglasses on.
Benny from Halloween Town. I really like that movie, guys. I can't. Fiona, but only from Shrek Forever After on PS3. It's giving Hagrid, and I kind of like it. This is the borderline illegal section.
Oh no.
This is Kenai, the Brother Bear. Sniffer from Minecraft. Skeleton Horse, also from Minecraft. Bessie from Barnyard. McConaughey from The Croods. This is ones that nobody seems to get. Emo, scenes, art style. The concept.
Okay.
Swedish Fish. This specific lamp. I really like that lamp. Any of these. I really like beakers. Ratatouille, the dish, because I'm fat. And music, the concept. Just music. The end. Oh, it appears to be a little fella on this side.
No, the fuck out!